The bottleneck for us, for our organization, I think bottlenecks mainly came from just having so many setups and different operations per part. We've found out you can almost rewire your brain on how you're going to approach a part. Almost any part you look at, you can imagine, well, if I put it on the 5-axis, I can pretty much get it done in about 2 operations. My name's A.J. Rowling. I'm a retired lieutenant colonel from the Air Force. At the academy, I taught gas turbine engine design, and I've always loved really cool high-tech parts, and so getting interested in and being able to build parts was part of my reason for wanting to be able to buy a machine shop. And so I'm excited to say we make some really cool stuff. We got stuff that goes on rockets, some of the chassis bodies that are put together to let a rocket know when it's supposed to separate from stage 1 to stage 2. Any of those parts, at a bare minimum, would probably be on the order of about 6 different setups and operations. And almost any part you look at, you can imagine, well, if I put it on the 5-axis, I can pretty much get it done in about 2 operations.
My name is Darren Hughes, production manager here at Catwood Metalworks. At first, in getting the 5-axis, I was a little intimidated. You know, everything moving simultaneously is a lot different than a stationary part on a 3-axis and things moving around it. It took me about a month, in all honesty, to kind of retrain my mind on how to even go about looking at a part. It really is a different school of thought than what I had ever been accustomed to. So now I have a hard time looking at jobs and not seeing them immediately going to the 5-axis. The versatility is just, you know, it's untouchable. So it has saved us so much time, so many different operations. It has truly been a game changer for us, which is why we have 3 now, because once I ran a very familiar job that I had built for years as my first job on the 5-axis, seeing what we were able to accomplish with that, immediately we ordered a couple more and got those in-house, and it's just been a good time ever since. So the learning curve was, there's really not much of one. Haas has done a very phenomenal job in keeping all of the controls or editing features and just overall feel of the machine kind of uniform across. With the probing and the tool brake checks, once you hit start, you don't have to go back until the machine is done.
Our capacity is huge now. It's to the point where I've actually pulled my 3rd shift. So I'm trying to get people trained now all on 1st shift while we go out and hunt and get that revenue stream built back up, so that then I need that 3rd shift. But right now with the 5-axis machines and the way we're doing things, we're doing the same amount of work or more than we've always done, and just getting it done faster.